Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a 997 convertible Porsche 911. We've just installed a KENWOOD DMX8021 into this car as an upgrade. So we've got the black fascia trim, and there we are. And this has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's also got a camera input, so when it goes into reverse, the rear camera comes on. You have got a direct camera one here as well, but it does also happen when you go into reverse. When you do that, it will trigger over to your reverse camera. This has also got digital radio and FM, which is a nice feature, and it will link between the two as well. We've got it all linked with the steering wheel controls using the ACV fibre optic adapter, because this has got full Bose system in, including the subwoofer down in the side footwell there. If you'd like to have this done in your 911, 997, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.